Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to our channel, the channel that delves deep into the timeless wisdom that spans across culture and societies. Today, we embark on a fascinating journey to unravel the secrets of financial stability embedded in the rich tapestry of the Jewish culture. Join me as we explore the principles that have not only contributed to the exceptional financial success of the Jewish community, but also offer valuable insight for anyone seeking lasting prosperity. Let's get into it without wasting any time. Number 1. Unraveling the tapestry of financial stability. In the diverse landscape of American demographics, Jewish households stand out with higher reported incomes than other ethnicities. Yet, this is no happenstance. Beneath the surface lies a set of financial rules meticulously passed down through generations, forming the backbone of their economic resilience. These principles are not merely strategies but a way of life that has stood the test of time. Before we delve deeper into this captivating subject, don't forget to check out our latest video on 8 assets that make people rich. Number 2. Poverty, a disease to avoid, not a virtue to embrace. Contrary to a common misconception, the Jewish community does not romanticize poverty as a virtue. Instead, it's considered a needless affliction, a pointless suffering that the rabbis discourage. The essence lies in the avoidance of being a burden and promoting self-reliance. Even in the face of philanthropy and charity, the ethos is clear. Everyone must strive to earn a living, fostering independence and financial responsibility. Number 3. Financial education starts in childhood. Imagine 5 jars, each carefully labeled tithe, investing, savings, charity, and spending. These are not just containers, they are tools shaping the financial future of Jewish children. Proverbs 20:7 becomes a guiding principle, emphasizing not just frequent lessons but habitual practice. Children are nurtured to be independent thinkers, making sound financial decisions from an early age. It's a blueprint for life, passed down through generations, ensuring financial literacy is woven into the fabric of their culture. Number 4. Building wealth through community and social bonds. The second jar, charity, holds a profound secret. It's not just about helping those in need, it's about building trust within the community. The Jewish community places immense value on socializing and forming bonds, seeing it as vital to personal success and happiness. It's not just an isolated act of charity, it's a reciprocal flow of support within a tight-knit network. This emphasis on community and social bonds create a foundation of strength and interconnectedness that goes beyond individual success. Number 5. Smart work triumphs over hard work. Have you ever felt like you are endlessly choosing financial freedom, working harder but not smarter? The Jewish wisdom advocates for working smart, not just hard. It's a shift in perspective, focusing on strategies that amplify your efforts rather than elongating your working hours. Imagine your business making profits instead of working more. Learn the right steps to elevate your business to a new height. It's about efficiency, strategy, and a mindset that values the quality of work over sheer quantity. Number 6. Business transactions, honesty, integrity, and customer loyalty. In the realm of business, traditional Jewish values shine brightly. Their transactions are marked by upright dealings, honesty, and utmost respect for the other party. It's not a coincidence that dealings with Jewish businessmen often result in exceptional deals and first-class customer service. Their integrity is the key that keeps customers coming back, fostering lasting relationships. In a world where trust is a rare commodity, the Jewish approach to business transactions serves as a beacon of ethical conduct. But before we continue our exploration, if you're enjoying this content, do us a favor and hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe for more thought-provoking discussion and insights. Number 7. Applying timeless wisdom today. Whether you are a parent or an individual, take deliberate steps to incorporate these lessons into your life. Start with the festivities approaching, making a small change, and watch the transformative impact. As you reflect on these timeless secrets, ask yourself, do you treat money with care? Are you creating value with your finances, or is it merely for appearances? It's never too late to start applying these principles. Number 8. The wisdom hidden in the Jewish culture isn't exclusive. It's a tried trove for anyone aspiring to create wealth. It's not about luck or starting early, it's about embracing principles that stand the test of time. Take inspiration from the Jewish community's approach to finances and embark on a journey towards lasting prosperity. The path is open. The principles are timeless. Will you take the first step? Thank you for joining me on this extensive exploration of the financial wisdom learned from the Jewish community. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And as always, stay tuned for more in-depth discussions and thought-provoking content here on our channel. Until next time, remember that the journey to wealth is a lifelong adventure, and with the right principles, success becomes an achievable destination.